Hello, on this video I would like to show you how to replace high pressure power steering and return pipes on the Land Rover Freelander 2. This model is from year 2009 and it's got a 2.2 diesel engine, but power steering system is exactly the same on both diesel and petrol models. I've got those pipes from eBay, from UK seller. They cost me £54 with free delivery. A power steering fluid will cost another £9 for 1 litre, and that amount is more than enough for this kind of job. So first thing to do is to take offside front or wheel arch liner off and steam wash all area for better access to all components. I removed this bracket so I could have more room and see more clearly what's behind it. Next thing you need to do is to take off bolt which is holding pipes in the steering rack. This is Torx T40 size bolt. Tap it a bit so it will fit tight. Before pulling pipes out, put some container underneath so the fluid will not leak on the floor. Next, disconnect both pipes. Be careful with plastic connectors, they're easy to break. I suggest to heat them up a bit for better flexibility. I use this kind of pick to pry holding bits. Now, further behind you will find another Torx bolt holding pipes on the rack. Torx size for this one is 225 or 227. You can remove bottom pipes now. Next, we take upper pipe off. You will find a bracket just below air intake. Access is not great, but it's not that hard either. You will be okay with your 8mm ratchet spanner. The removing bracket / holding bolt is another Torx T40 on the power steering pump. When all parts removed, best practice is to double check if new parts are matching old ones. We're fitting new pipe into position, and before putting it into the steering pump, make sure that O-ring is in the right position and grease it with a bit of a grease or oil so it will not slip off and fit easily. After fitting everything back together, all we need to do is top up power steering fluid, start the engine, and gently and slowly move your steering wheel first to one side all the way, then to another. Repeat it few times, check fluid level, check for any leaks, and job done. Enjoy your ride.